Is this the year? How to tell you're getting fired in 2025, and how to fight back or at least make them pay. Hint number 1. Random coworkers keep popping in and admiring the view from your office. Hint number 2. Everyone laughed when you submitted your vacation dates on the company calendar. Hint number 3. A new management system was introduced to streamline company operations. And magically, without explanation or apology, you are the only one without an accountability partner. Hint number 4. All the people in HR suddenly remember your name. Hint number 5. Large cardboard boxes were placed in the corner of your office last night, and they are all empty. What to do? Don't panic. The ball is still in your court. You need to take action. Stall for time, deflect attention, break a leg, fake a fall, claim any FMLA. Take all of your vacation time immediately. Take your sick time. Lord knows you need it. Blame your absence on mental stress. Be specific. Dates, times, coworkers, bosses. Be generous. Cast the blame far and wide. Tell HR you're thinking about retiring in a few months. You would like help in planning a smooth transition. Retirement package. Hint, hint. Start bragging about the prestigious law firm your family has close connections with and all the people they've helped recently. Soon they will forget about firing you and look elsewhere in the organization for a scapegoat, a villain to blame, and it won't be you. If you do get fired, don't sweat it. Chances are you will land somewhere 10 times better than the job causing you all this stress. You may even find a job you actually enjoy at higher pay.